Good morning, dear children of Std-4. Today we are going to do the 16th chapter of language. The name of the chapter is Can, May, Should, Must. Can, May, Should, Must. Let's get started with it. Complete the following conversations with can or must. You have to use can or must depend on the sentence. Dash, you submit your notebook today. Who is asking? Teacher is asking. Can you submit your notebook today? It's a question asked by the teacher. The child answers, yes, ma'am. Next case. You dash complete your classwork now. The teacher is asking the children to complete the classwork now. So we have used you must complete your classwork now. Now can, may, should and must are verbs that we use for specific purpose. And in this chapter, we will come to know about those purposes where we use can, may, should and must. First verb, that is can. We use can to talk about the ability to do something or the possibility of something happening. Okay? It is also used to ask for permission. Remember the three words: ability, possibility and permission. Talking about ability, like I can meet you on Sunday, means a person is available, means he is able to meet on Sunday. Here we have talked about ability. When a person is able to do something, we use can. Then comes possibility. There can be heavy rainfall in the evening, means there are chances, there are possibility that there can be heavy rainfall in the evening. Here possibility is being talked about. Coming to the third case, that is permission. Can I go out now? When someone is asking for permission, he or she can also use can. Can I go out now? The negative form of can is cannot. Okay, positive is can and negative form is cannot. Example, she cannot speak Hindi, means she is unable to speak Hindi. You cannot go now. Okay, next, we use may to ask for and give permission. When we ask for permission, we use may, and when the person is replying, when the person is giving us permission, he or she can also use may. It also shows possibility. May I go out, father? Asking for permission. Like in your school also, when you ask teacher, may I go to drink water? There also we use may. You may catch a cold if you go out in this weather. It is possibility that it is cold outside. If you go out, you may catch cold. So it is a possibility. The negative form of may is may not. Example, no, you may not go out. Okay, that you're not supposed to go out. The shop may not be open at this hour. We use must to show the importance of doing something. We must eat your meals on time. You must eat your meals on time. It's a importance of doing something that we must eat your meals. You must eat your meals on time. We must go to bed by 9 p.m. So in this case, when we use must, we tell the importance of doing something. Eating meal on time is important. Going to bed by 9 p.m. at night is important. It is good for our health. Correct? The negative form of must is must not. Example, we must not waste time. You must not be rude. Okay? Negative form of must is must not. We use should to give advice. The negative form of should is should not. Whenever we are giving advice to someone, like we should exercise in the morning, it is a advice. You should not stay here alone. Whenever we are giving advice, remember this word advice, we use should, and the negative form of should is should not. Clear, children? Let's see the grammar bites. Can, may, must and should are always followed by another verb. Like I can run. Run is a verb. So this can is also a verb, but it is being followed by another verb. We may go. Okay, so can, may, must and should are followed by another verb. They itself are verb, but again there is another verb just after those four words whenever it is used in a sentence. Must and should have similar meanings, but must is used to show the importance of doing something. Should is used to give suggestions. Remember, when do we use must? We use must to show the importance of doing something. And we use should to give suggestion. Whenever we are giving suggestion, we use should. And whenever we want to bring forward the importance of doing something, we use the word must. Thank you, children.